everyone, this is Susan from GSL Energy. Today we are at Munich. This is Intersolar Europe. So today we have a booth at B0.350C. So this is the ninth of the exhibition of GSL Energy in 2023. So today we are going to visit our booth at B0 Hall. Okay, come with me. So this is after entered from the entrance here. You can see the B and C halls. So the B0 is on your left side, the first hall. Okay, come. This way. Okay, we are here. So on the top, you can see clearly GSL Energy logo. So welcome to our booth. This is my colleague Julie.